Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Baker, the music maker, coming at you with another Hot Chrome Music Lab tutorial. That's right. Today we have Every Breath You Take from none other than The Police, written by the great Sting. That's right. Song from 1983 is still on top of the charts today. It's been in the global top 50 for like the past several weeks. Let's hear this bad boy. Straight moving eighth notes. Straight drum beat. And here's where it restarts. You might recognize it. It's been sampled a whole bunch of times by all types of different people. Diddy even put out his own version in the late 90s, but that's a different story altogether. Let's make this thing from scratch. Press restart. We got a blank canvas. We're going to change the settings first and foremost. We're going to change the length from 4 bars to 8 bars. We're going to change start on middle, note low, G sharp / A flat, which is the fourth one from the bottom. G sharp, little hashtag sign for you guys that aren't familiar. In a musical term, it's called sharp, which is one note higher than G. G sharp / A flat, which is another name for that same note. Then we're going to change our range to 3 octaves. So we change those 3 things in the settings. Length 8 bars, start on low G sharp / A flat, range 3 octaves. Press the blue check, and we're ready to rock. I like to build these things from the bottom to the top usually. So we're going to put the tempo in, which is the speed of the song. It's not 120, it's slightly slower. Drag that down just 1 notch, and it should put you right at 117, which is where this song sits, actually. Very cool. Now we're going to change the instrument sounds. This was originally recorded on a guitar, which is a string instrument. So even though this doesn't sound exactly like a guitar, kind of more like a plucked violin, it still works and does the job. And electronic drums, nope, even though this is a very electronic music time, we're going to roll with kit and have a straight drum sound as well. So tempo, 117. Change those instrument sounds. You can experiment with that later if you want. Now we're going to put in this drum beat. Over and over. Circle, space, triangle, circle, circle, space, triangle, space. That's kind of like, it's what I call one of the money beats, which is a super popular beat that's made a lot of money for a lot of different artists. And this is like the version they call the heartbeat. And if we put another one in there, but you get the point. Yep, keep that going all the way. I want to sit here and bore you to death with all the history of all these grooves, but luckily this one's really repetitive. Pretty straight ahead. Let's hear it. That sounds good. Pretty driving, straight, moving beat. And luckily with our notes that we have to put in, there's no spaces in any of this. It's just moving eighth notes. So you have to get your colors right and the patterns you put them in, but pretty repetitive. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I can describe all these different shades of colors. That might be difficult. Call this like a navy blue, maybe a mustard yellow, maybe a violet up here. And then we go back down to here. I'm just going from left to right. Those are the first 4 notes. Boom. And then we go to this higher note, this C right here, violet, and then this. So we have this little scoop and come back up, little swoosh right there. And that is the first bar. Luckily, bar 2 repeats that exact same thing. So go ahead and put that back in there. Very cool. After that, it's actually pretty easy. So make sure your colors are right. Like I said, no spaces in between any of them. Then it goes to doing that same exact thing, but 2 colors down on each of them. So 2 colors below this is this green, 2 colors below that, so on and so forth. So I have the same shape, but 2 notes down, and then this one 2 notes down too. And then we repeat that. And you'll hear it in a little bit. Those are the first 4 bars. Let's hear it. Pretty cool. So if you're familiar with the song, you know it goes higher right there. It goes to a higher chord. Make sure you have your colors correct. Like I said, take the time to make sure, otherwise it's going to sound funky. If yours doesn't sound like mine, fix it before we move on. Now we have to move up to this higher dark orange here. What is it? So here's the first 4 notes of bar 5 right here. Orange, navy, mustard yellow, orange. And then that higher orange, navy, orange, navy. So that's a cool little pattern, but it jumps around a lot. So make sure you have the shape of that line right because there's a lot of skips in there. So it's a little tricky. And then we move that same pattern up one note from there. Nope. Here. So these are the same first 4 notes, but one color up, right? Same thing here. Yep, let's hear that so far. That's bars 5 and 6 in the mix. Take it up. Pretty cool. So with that moving figure, you have this and then guess what? The last 2 bars are the exact same as the first 2 bars. So let's go ahead and put that in. You can go back here for reference and check it out. But it's simply navy. Yeah, I remembered it correctly. Good. Navy, mustard orange, violet orange. Continue that and then repeat that one more time. And that should be the entirety of the song. Pretty song. Very beautiful little melody. So yeah, these 2 bars are the same as the first 2 bars to round it out. And then you can hear where it repeats at the end. And that should be it. Let's hear the whole thing. Beautiful song, amazing song. The lyrics are actually kind of creepy and weird if you actually check them out and listen to them. But the song itself is really pretty and beautiful. I'm a huge fan of The Police. Stuart Copeland is one of my favorite drummers and biggest musical influences. He's the drummer of The Police. It's a 3-man band. Andy Summers on guitar and Sting, the bass player, singer, songwriter, one of the greatest of all time. Super cool to see a song from 1983 still atop of the global top 50 in streams even in 2026. And hope this catches the right ears. I hope y'all dug this one. Like I said, let me know what y'all want to hear. Thank y'all for tuning in for the first video of 2026. A lot more good stuff to come this year. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I appreciate all the support. We'll see y'all in the next one. Like I said, keep them requests coming, y'all. I don't know what's hip. Y'all got to teach me. Y'all got to help me, help you, help me. Help you. Yeah, you get the point. Well, we'll see y'all next time. Peace and love. Keep making music. Later.